Today, we are checking out the Instant Pot Duo 7 in 1, a versatile pressure cooker you can find on Walmart or Amazon for roughly $100. This kitchen gadget functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steam saute pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. Second, setting up is straightforward. Plug it in, choose your function, and let it do its magic. I tested it with chicken curry recipe and rice simultaneously. The pressure cooking mode worked perfectly, cooking the chicken evenly in about 15 minutes. The saute function is great for boiling meat before pressure cooking. Cleanup is easier than I expected. Before the inner spot is stainless steel. The digital interface is simple, with intuitive buttons and safety features like lid lock and pressure release. The only drawback is its bulky size. Counter space it is needed. But for meal prep or busy families, it's a lifesaver. Overall, if you want to cut cooking time without sacrificing flavor, Instant Pot Duo is an excellent investment.